This is street food where you can buy different kinds of Filipino street food for snack or for proper dinner. They're often from 12 noon until 12 midnight. This is another branch of the Cebu Mercado style of vending. But this is just street food, cold street food, not a Cebu Mercado. So we go in so we can have a look, but you can see that it's open daily from 12 noon to 12 midnight on this side of Ayala Center, Cebu. So these are baluts for the brave. So the health benefits you get in eating balut: energy booster, supports immune system, has aphrodisiac properties, high in protein, contains iron, contains calcium, fatty acids, niacin, propofol, thiamine, and contains stem cells. So you can see two foreigners there, two Koreans trying to eat balut. Okay ra ko, no? Okay? That's food for the brave. Mga Pinoy di magay kagwantang uban. Brave yun mo dang. Dato yung kudakan be. So there's two. That's your first time to eat that? Second time, you like it? Wow. 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 So you're Japanese? Yeah. Okay, there's two Japanese guys who like balut. Okay, there now you can see they're peeling off. You can see the part of the egg, but you can also see the part of the egg where there is the beak of the chicken. Dak ni mong balut dong. Original yun di ay. Oh wow. They really like it. So you peel the balut and then you show all the growing chicken inside. And sometimes you put salt like the other guy is doing, putting salt. There you can see the little chicken now coming up on the egg. Wow. Really? You're very brave. I'm scared. So you can choose from 18 days. What yours? 18 days? 16. Ang 18 mo na mangambak na nasa itlog dong. Oh. So they have the 16 days old and this is the 18. Now you can see the difference. It'll be 2 days, so the egg is quite almost formed. And ang sa Pinoy 17. So the balut, the original, is not chicken, it's duck. Now you can see it there. The little duck is already forming on the egg. But he's very brave to eat that. Oh my god. Oh, he likes it. Very nice. There, you're already eating the baby duck in half, there with the feathers and all. Okay, so we're here. We're gonna try, me and Deloy, we're gonna try the 16 days old. the two Japanese guys just even eat that. Bye-bye. Yeah. I'm trying. So we're gonna try. So as you can see, I'm filling it out now. There's the duck forming inside. You can see the like little sauce here. So you have to drink the sauce. There. That's the baby duck. Then the eyes, you can see the eyes in the beak. Kira suka, be. So you can see that the baby duck there is really forming. Oh my god. I feel sorry for the baby duck. I'll give it all to Daloy so you can eat that. Imo na na dong. Ako ra bayad. Hindi ka na. There's the Daloy. His balot is not forming, but this one you can see the chicken. I mean the duck is really on shape. You can eat that. Like I said, I'm more used to eating vegetables because that's cheaper than meat. So I can't get sorry for this. You have to peel it all off. Then you can, there's the little duck is already in shape. So this is I think the Philippines is known for this, eating balut, the baby duckling in an egg. So you have to eat the balut, the baby duckling, the beaks, all the feathers as well, already formed. Look, you can see it there. So the baby duck even dropped from the egg. The still wanna eat that one. That's how the balut egg is look like. So we just finished eating our balut there, our Pinoy, but like as you can see, I can't do it. But this one, they got the manok Bisaya, a barbecue station, and this is Cebu Seafoods. So these are the prices of the food that they have to offer you, that you can avail. Creamy scallops, sisig scallop, butter garlic shrimp, calamares, cheesy scallop, crablets, and shell litob omelette. So that's Cebu. Next is the tuslobua. So that's another amazing thing to see how the Filipino street food of tuslobua is eaten. This is of course the ngoyong house. And the lamao, guys, this is just siomai. And of course that's the kwek kwek, tempura, and the real street food you can see on the streets of Colon. So this is the sitting areas. It's just right outside the Ayala Center, Cebu, near the Krispy Kreme donuts. My favorite here is the Ali Mango. I think I'll have one. So the middle is this entertainment area. I'll have one alimango. Usa. This is my favorite dessert here, is the alimango. It's made of sliced mangoes, blended mangoes, and then cream and sliced mangoes with and mango ice cream. So it's mostly mangoes, no other else except the cream and ice. Ice cream, mango ice cream, cream, like a tablespoon of cream and ice. This is my favorite dessert here in Cebu Mercados.